everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation, the latest from the 25th to the 25th of June 2021 on Monday. Spare gets her answer, but it's not what she wanted to hear. Nontle has a crush and isn't sure what to do about it. CD realizes she has cause for concern on Tuesday. Mpho has to call the Moroccans to order when things get heated. Turns out Melogushi's advice was spot on. Pamela has had enough of playing games. It's time to come clean on Wednesday. Some things can't be done or undone, so where does that leave Tracy and her bear? Syanda's answers raises even more questions. Kabisi real in shock after getting his test result on Thursday. Luyola witnesses an intense public argument and secretly recorded. Mazwi tried to find way to stave off his loneliness. Desperate times calls for desperate measures, and Tamarin certainly is desperate on Friday. Mpho has questions that have to be answered before he can make a decision. TD bears the brunt of her husband's frustration. Pamela pulls a surprise move on her ex. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.